everybody, this is Roxy, and I just wanted to share some photo sleeve recipe books that I've been making. I've made these for a few years now, but this year I thought I'd do mostly vintage and use up a lot of my vintage cookbooks and ephemera and whatnot. So here's my first one. These are like cut out from a recipe book I have. Can't remember which one it is. And then so are a lot of the recipes. This is from like a Cardabello Ecopeco paper pad. And the paper is from all over the place. I went through my scrap bin, which I'm going to be doing a video on my scrap bins and how I store things and what I use, how to use them. So here's just on most of them I put like some household tip pages in here. I think those are always kind of fun to read, and a lot of them are pretty helpful. So this is talking about different batters and what kind of leavening you can use to make bread batter or cake batters. And then I've got, these are all Michael's Dollar Bin recipe cards. I have a shoebox full, and I know Yoli sent me a bunch of them a few years ago, so I'm trying to use all that up. And part of me, for not being able to breathe very well, my allergies are really bad right now, and it's just not good. But I'm doing okay. So here's like a page from a cookbook. This is a doily I have. I'm not positive from where. And then that's a cutout from We're Better Together on the Cricut. And there's another one. I think this is Katie's Kitchen. I'll put down below what they both are. I don't, if you have a Cricut, you can find them on the Cricut. Just go to kitchen, cooking, baking. That's what I search for. And then these are from the Cardabella kit I have, or Ecopeco. These are some Tim Holtz. I got these at Hobby Lobby on clearance before the virus hit. So those were $1.49. Nice little deal. Nice little deal. Another one on how to measure. That's kind of cool. And again, the paper's from all over. That's that same cookbook as that. And this is like a just a page from it. There's something on the other side about breads. And then I kind of just put stuff in here if they want to use it somewhere else, or attach it to their recipe card. This is another I think it's, I can't think. It's another Cricut cartridge. I think it's Nifty 50s. I'm not positive. I don't think that's right, but I'll figure it out and tell you below. That's just from a recipe book. This is from my scrap bin. Just a doily punch I have. Some recipes I kept the entirety, like on making Swedish heirloom cookies. Some I cut them up. That's from We're Better Together again. Such a cute cartridge. And that's from the paper collection. That is from my, what is it? Again, I'm not going to try to keep guessing. I'm going to drive you nuts. You're not going to drive me nuts. I'm going to drive you nuts. So I'll put all the cartridges down below. Another handy hint, which are really fun. Like, instead of pinning handkerchiefs together, when sending to the laundry, not when doing the laundry, stitch them all together at a corner. Okay. That's better together. These are really fun to make, though. I really had fun. Bad news from the furlongs. My hubby got permanently laid off a week and a half ago. And so that's not good. And then yesterday, my vehicle, the transmission went out. So that, the estimate we got was $5,000 for that. So luckily we got the extra stimulus check. So that's going to help a little bit. But I was like, I didn't know what we were going to do. Anyways, here's a fun little how-to. And this is really a cool guide. I actually should keep a copy of that, because it's telling you different cakes and what the temperatures should be. That's helpful in these older recipes, because sometimes they don't tell you. They'll just say like a mild oven, medium oven, warm oven, you know. Chocolate marble bars. This is from an old Betty Crocker kids party book. Those are cut out from magazines. That's Better Together Again. Such a kid, and so is this. Aren't they cute? So cute. That is the, whatever this one is called. And I'll put that below. Better Together Again. And this is from this one too. Wish I could think of what it's called. So here's this one. This is Little Yellow Bicycle. This paper no longer exists, but I had a few pieces of it left. So I thought I might as well use it up instead of just staring at it and wishing they were still around. So these are just cuts from that cartridge and Dollar Tree lace that I put in my coffee stain. And I really like how it toned the colors down, because otherwise they were a little bit garish. Another helpful hint. Some more cards. I think those are the ones Yoli gave me. Cashew nut hot dish. This is actually from a little cookbook I found from the church that I went to when we grew up. So I just pulled a few out of there. Cute little cookbook. That is a refrigerator. I was showing my friend Mary, and she goes, "Is that a piece of toast or a toaster?" Because you can kind of, we were FaceTiming, so she couldn't tell. But that was cute. This is some vintage trim I found at the thrift store a while back. And that's an old Betty Crocker. Old, like a 50, I think one of the first ones, 1951. Excuse me. Same with this, but this is cool. Telling you how you can cut fruits and vegetables to kind of make them, for garnishing. It's kind of cool. But I have a couple of those cookbooks, so I'm good. I'll find it elsewhere. That's the Party Betty Crocker. And another cut from the Cricut. That's I cut out of a cookbook I have that it's about moms cooking for your family, and these are really cute. Really cute illustrations in it. So I cut that out. Fussy cut it. These are so fun to make. That's cut out from an old magazine, like an old, like probably 1930s magazine that I have. And another hot salad, which sounds pretty gross, but it would be kind of fun to try. Because, it's obviously edible. I have one cookbook where it's like, there's some really weird, like veggie dip recipes, and I really want to try it, just to see how good or bad it is. And see, that's the old Betty Crocker. They really didn't, the way they did recipe was almost more like a paragraph. It didn't list the ingredients. It was they're kind of a little hard to follow. And here's another, this is from Little Yellow Bicycle. On the back is helpful hints. So I left that too. And finally, I've got enough stuff. Here's some of my stuff that I've been, that's my favorite picture. Some stuff that I've been using. And then, where else? Oh, this thing is filled with all this stuff. Little doodads. It was nice and neat at one point. And I won't try to tidy it up right now. But here's some of the cuts. I made a bunch of these. And I kind of want to put them on scallop circles. But I haven't done that yet. So I just went with what I had. So there's that stuff. No, it's not having an avalanche. We're having an avalanche. Too much stuff. All right. Back. Oh, and then here's this. I almost forgot. Here's all my cookbooks and stuff that I've been using. So I've got a lot of stuff that I can still use and fill up more of these. And here, this is from the old 30s magazine and a little piece of lace from that. And this one I use graphic 45 paper. Getting rid of that paper that I have left. I do have, I think, 3 or 4 pads of graphic 45 that I'm probably going to sell. I have tuna hot dish, everybody's favorite. Some helpful hints. I like to take breaks in between, because if I keep going at this, I'm going to get less, it's going to be less and less fun. So I'm going to take a break on this and work on something else. Here's a teacup from Ecopeco. Super cute, it's all layered. I could probably show that up close. It's really cute. And I just embossed it. And here's this cute from that Betty Crocker party book for kids. And then I think the bow is from In Love Art Shop. There's the little fridge. He's so cute. And another Betty Crocker. That's so cute. That reminds me of Yoli. Rise and shine, that's her favorite. One of her favorite sayings. So cute. And there's the toaster with his friend the toast popping up. They're so cute. So that's my little project. And if you're interested in seeing me make one, put one together, just leave a comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love to see people coming back. And I will talk to you later. Oops, I dropped my elephant.